What is sum rule? The derivative of the sum of the functions is the sum of the derivative of the function. So this is called the sum rule. That means if you have two functions, let's say f and z, then the derivative of the sum of these two functions will be the sum of the derivatives of the individual functions. So that means if we have f plus z, and if we are finding the derivative of that function, we first find the derivative of f, we also find the derivative of g, and then just add the derivative together. So this is what known as sum rule of the derivative. Let's try to see some examples. So let's assume that our goal is to find the derivative of this function 3x plus 1. Then you can clearly see here are two functions. Let's say function f is 3x, and let's say function g is 1, and then 3x plus 1 is the sum of these two functions. So if you want to find the derivative of this function, then we can use this sum rule. So let's find the derivative of the 3x, and let's try to find the derivative of 1, right? So find the derivative of 3x, find the derivative of 1, and then whatever comes up, add them together. So derivative of 3x with respect to x will be, by using the constant multiple rule, we can take 3 out, and derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So 1 times 3 will be 3. And derivative of 1, since 1 is a constant, so because of the constant rule, derivative of 1 is 0. So if you simplify, we get this as 3 as a derivative of this function 3x plus 1. Let's try to see another example. Let's say our goal is to find the derivative of 5x squared plus 4x plus 7. Although we have here three functions, but the sum rule can be applied to the sum of the function even more than 2. So on that, in this, you can see the idea here is we just need to find the derivative. It looks like term by term, right? So you can also say this is like term by term differentiation, right? So we can, so let's just differentiate 5x squared, then let's just differentiate 4x, let's differentiate 7. Okay, and so find the derivative of 5x squared, find the derivative of 4x, find the derivative of 7. What is the derivative of 5x squared? By using the constant multiple rule, we can take the constant out, 5 is out, and derivative of x squared with respect to x, by using the power rule, the derivative will be 2x. So 5 times 2 will be 10, so 10x is the derivative of 5x squared. Similarly, what is the derivative of 4x? 4 is a constant, take that out, and derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So 4 times 1 will be 4, right? And then the derivative of 7 is a constant, so derivative of 7 with respect to x will be 0. Alright, so alright, that's it. And we just need to simplify, and which is 10x plus 4. So this is the derivative of 5x squared plus 4x plus 7.